Just heard everything that you should be doing, getting out there, staying ahead of this storm, doing what you can now to make sure you're protected when it comes.
We're in the weather center this morning because we're tracking the timing of this storm, and by 7 a.m. everything changes.
Yeah, things really changed, like you mentioned, right around 7 a.m. And like he had mentioned too, we've had a real good heads up on this system. Not often will the Weather Service issue a blizzard warning so far out in advance. By definition, for a blizzard, winds are 35 miles per hour or greater, lasting 3 hours or longer, with visibility a quarter mile or less. We're going to see nearly 30 straight hours of blizzard-like conditions as we head into later today and Saturday. That's how intense this storm is going to be. But we don't want to get too caught up on snow totals because there are a number of hazards we have to deal with. Rain changing over to snow, causing that flash freeze, which will make things very, very icy. We'll also have that moisture on the power lines and on the tree branches that'll freeze up quickly, adding extra weight to those. Winds gusting near 70 miles per hour could topple some trees and some power lines, so power outages are a possibility. With snow, we have blowing and drifting snow causing whiteouts, and some snow piles will be quite high. We're talking snow drifts in that 4 to 6 foot range by the time things quiet down on Sunday. Another hazard will be the flooding as well along the Lake Erie shoreline. Blizzard warnings remain in effect through Sunday morning. Winter storm warnings remain in effect through Monday morning for areas south of Buffalo, and that lakeshore flood warning starts up at 7 a.m. and runs through 7 p.m. on Saturday. Your hourly forecast for today. At 8 a.m., we're in the mid-30s with snow, but notice by noon we're in the low 20s. This afternoon we're in the mid-20s, mid-teens I should say. Winds increasing and that snow rate really increasing as well. And the blizzard warning starts at 7 a.m. So that's your hourly forecast for Friday. And we look at Saturday and your blizzard forecast, temperatures in the low to mid-teens all day. Winds will be strong around 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting around 50 miles per hour with whiteouts. And that blizzard warning is in effect all day on Saturday. Checking out the radar, we have that rain. Roads are wet. Niagara Falls, Buffalo, Dunkirk with the rain. Zooming out, there's that cold front and that very strong area of low pressure moving off toward the east. That front's going to swing through at around 7 a.m. It's about 85 miles to our west right now. Some of that colder air making its way into Erie as we speak. At 8 a.m. we have that snow in Buffalo. And then look at that lake response. Once the cold front passes, southwesterly winds, very, very cold air over the lake, picking up all that moisture. And look at that snow band, which really doesn't move tonight through tomorrow. Finally on Sunday, that band shifts further southward, and hopefully we can clean out a bit. And then late Sunday afternoon, we're pushing that band back into southern Erie and Wyoming counties. Snow totals, it's a different model, and these are new numbers that just came out. By around 4 p.m., you're looking at anywhere from 2 to 8 inches of snowfall, according to this model. We'll all have snow, we'll all have strong winds blowing the snow around, causing whiteout conditions across the region. Then we head toward 9 a.m. on Saturday, already about 1 to 2 feet of snow. Buffalo, Batavia, back toward Dunkirk, Orchard Park, Amherst, Cheektowaga, Depew, Lancaster, all in that area. And then by the time we head to Sunday around 5 p.m., anywhere from 2 to 3, almost 4 feet of snow in some spots, about 10 inches of snow across ski country. Those numbers will increase later on Sunday. Niagara Falls, you're right on the fringe where you could see anywhere from 6 to 16 inches of snow. Some models have your snow totals much higher, but again, we don't want to get caught up too much on snow totals because the winds will be so strong blowing that snow around. By 3 in the afternoon, winds 45 to almost 65 miles per hour. Overnight, winds gusting 60 to almost 70 miles per hour. Look at Batavia, wind gusts tomorrow morning near 70 miles per hour. On Saturday by 5 p.m., winds still around 40 to 50 miles per hour. And then as we head into Sunday, winds gusting around 30 miles per hour. We have these strong winds with the ice weighing on the power lines. There is a threat for power outages along the Lake Erie shoreline and northeast of the lake. Highest chance back toward Genesee County. So preparing for power outages most likely would occur later on today. Areas near the Lake Erie shoreline and northeast of the lake, that's where the winds will be the strongest. If you lose power, unfortunately, you could lose it for days since we have it'll be very difficult for the power company to get out there and restore that power. Another big concern, the lake flooding along the lake shore. The water on the other end of the lake will be going down, and all that water will be being pushed toward the eastern end of Lake Erie. And we will see waves around 15 to 20 feet, water level about 12 feet higher than it normally is. And that is going to cause major problems along the Lake Erie shoreline, including Canal Side. We'll see some issues as well. Falling temperatures today with snow and blowing snow, early highs near 40, winds out of the southwest 30 to 50 miles per hour with higher gusts. Temperatures this afternoon will be in the teens. Now tonight, overnight lows near 10, blizzard warning in effect with whiteouts likely. Blizzard warning for today and tomorrow. Sunday, that snow will be south of Buffalo, still breezy. Snow showers on Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All's pretty quiet. Nice warm up for the middle and end of next week.
Aaron, before we go, I just want to drive a point home. The reason why we're not concerned about snow totals is because the